Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut video in Clipchamp. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit and cut the video to. Now to cut the video, tap onto the edit button right here. Then scroll to your video and choose the part where you want to cut. Now tap onto split button right here. Again, choose the part of the video and tap to split. Now tap onto one video that you want to delete. Then scroll to your right and here you can find the option of delete. Now simply go ahead and tap on it. Now you can see the video has been deleted. And that's it. This is how you can cut the video in Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.